Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you the cards that I did make for the Stamps of Life card club kit that I got for the month of May. And it was a barbecue theme. If you did not see my unboxing video, I will link it here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. Please consider liking and subscribing. Enjoying our little crafty ohana here. So I did use everything from the kit mostly. Like I want to say this is not from this kit. It's from a past kit. These dragonflies are from a past kit. And all of them are blank inside, and I did include my personalized stamped. I also showed how to make, and I don't know if you can see it, these like backgrounds that look like a cloudy sky. I'll link that video here if you haven't seen that one. And I like this idea of popping up on foam tape the cover of the grill. In the card, like on the video, it doesn't do anything to it, but I just like the way it looks in person. And then my personalized stamps, I got these from April Oleander. I think she's April Oleander Designs here on YouTube. And then these were the puffy stickers that were included, as well as the enamel dots that were included in the kit. And these are just the scrap strips from when I break down my card kit that I am left with. So trying to use up all my scraps. This is one of the extra dies that came in the club kit. Totally rad. And just cutting up the pattern paper, making like a die cut and adding it to layered paper. That was an easy card to put together. So this stamp set, it's your birthday. Oh yeah, they're both. So one was from the Die Hard kit and the other was from the club card kit. And then these were the chipboard pieces that came in the club kit. This was that vinyl sticker that came in the club kit. And this was just putting back in the letters that were cut out. I think both of these two was in the, one was in the Die Hard kit and one was in the club card kit. And this was the blue. Those letters that cut out, that's where I placed them in here. And this is another one using the pattern paper as like a die cut. Ephemera. But those are my cards. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards I worked on out of this kit. So yeah. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comment section below. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.